Bible stories illustrated from Genesis to Jesus. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for all notifications for a 10-minute Bible story every day. Genesis 1. The creation of the world. In the beginning, before the earth existed, before the stars filled the sky, there was only darkness. No mountains, no oceans, no life. Then, in the silence of the universe, God spoke, and the story of creation began. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. But the earth was empty and without form. Darkness covered the deep waters, and the Spirit of God moved over the surface of the waters. The world existed, but it was not yet alive. Then God spoke the first command, "Let there be light." And suddenly, light appeared. The darkness was broken, and brilliant light filled the world. God saw the light, and He saw that it was good. Then God separated the light from the darkness. The light He called day, and the darkness He called night. Evening passed, morning came, and this was the first day. Then God said, "Let there be a great expanse between the waters, to separate the waters above from the waters below." So God made the expanse and separated the waters. He called the expanse sky. Evening passed, morning came, and this was the second day. Then God said, "Let the waters under the sky gather together in one place, and let dry land appear." And it happened. God called the dry ground earth, and the gathered waters He called seas. God saw that it was good. Then God said, "Let the earth bring forth vegetation, plants that produce seed, and trees that bear fruit, and the earth filled with grass plants and fruit trees of every kind." God saw that it was good. Evening passed, morning came, and this was the third day. Then God said, "Let there be lights in the heavens to separate day from night. Let them mark seasons, days, and years, and give light upon the earth." So God made two great lights, the greater light to rule the day, and the lesser light to rule the night. He also made the stars. God set them in the heavens to give light upon the earth. God saw that it was good. Evening passed, morning came, and this was the fourth day. Then God said, "Let the waters be filled with living creatures, and let birds fly across the sky." So God created the great creatures of the sea, and every living thing that moves in the waters. He created every kind of bird to fly above the earth. God blessed them and said, "Be fruitful and multiply, fill the waters of the seas, and let the birds multiply on the earth." God saw that it was good. Evening passed, morning came, and this was the fifth day. Then God said, "Let the earth bring forth living creatures of every kind, livestock, wild animals, and creatures that crawl upon the ground." And it was so. God made the animals of the earth, each according to its kind. God saw that it was good. Then God said, "Let us make mankind in our image, in our likeness. Let them rule over the fish of the sea and the birds of the sky, the animals of the earth and every creature that moves upon the ground." So God created mankind in His own image, male and female. He created them. God blessed them and said, "Be fruitful and multiply, fill the earth and rule over it." God gave the plants and fruit trees for food for every living creature. And God looked at everything He had made, and it was very good. Evening passed, morning came, and this was the sixth day. Then the heavens and the earth were completed, and all that was in them. On the seventh day, God finished His work, and God rested from everything He had done. And so, the world was complete. The heavens, the earth, and every living creature. From darkness came light. From emptiness came life. And this was the beginning of the story of humanity. The story recorded in the book of Genesis. If you've enjoyed this story, be sure to like, subscribe, and ping the notification bell for all future videos. You will not want to miss the next story, which is the illustrated story of Adam and Eve in the Garden of Eden. Thank you for watching and listening.
Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to help spread the word of our Lord. Thank you.